Our second video in our functions video is going to discuss average. Average is one of the most popular functions used in Microsoft Excel. It starts with an equal sign, continues with the name of the function, which is average, has an argument with the range of the cells that are included in the argument that are within the parentheses. So let's dissect the function average. We've got the name of the function, the argument, the range of the cells where it's going to start, which is B7, and the range of the cells of which it's going to stop, which is M7. So we're going to average at B7 through M7. Let's get back to our spreadsheet. And remember, when we use the sum function, the range of cells that were included in the argument were right next to where we had the formula, where we had the function. This time, when we perform the average function, the range of cells is not going to be right next to it. So I have B7 as my active cell. I'm going to come up to the home ribbon, click on the home tab, come all the way over to the home ribbon, the last group, which is editing, and I'm going to click on the drop down arrow. And you can see that sum is the first function, and if we come down, average is the next. So we're going to select that. Excel thinks that we want to average the cells that are right above it, but that's not correct. We don't want to average a percentage. We want to average the total that we're spending on residual marketing. So we're going to take our mouse and we're going to hold down the left mouse button and we're going to just select the range of B7 through M7 and hit enter. Now, just like you can type in the sum function, you can type in the average function, and we're going to do that in cell B24. So we're going to type equals average, parentheses, B14, colon, M14, which sums the average of our promotional marketing. So two different ways to perform the average function. You can use the drop-down button on the editing group on our home tab. You can type it in, or a third way would be to go to the insert function dialog box. Choose there, type in the word average, click go, and average appears there. So there are three different ways to perform the average function.